Hello everyone, I am Nikita Bahadure studying BA LLB third year, and today I am going to give brief discussion on the topic named Three Farm Legislation. So let us discuss with the historical background. In 1947, farmers used to sell their produce to the government, but because of zamindari system and many other shackles, farmers came into the loan system. Farmers has to take money from the money lender and then produce it to their farms. Money lenders used to charge high interest so that farmers can't repay it, and if they are unable to do so, then money lenders used to take all the produce in place of money. And again, if farmers want to produce, then farmers again used to take money from the money lender and then again fail to repay it. And because of this cycle, farmers never became sustainable, and farmers are exploited under the money lenders, and that is why government introduces us with the APMC Act. APMC, that is Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Act. This act says that no person can buy things directly from the farmers, and farmers also cannot sell anything directly to the customers. APMC runs by the state government, and it is for the farmers' welfare and for supporting them. Main objective of APMC is to save farmers from middlemen and money lenders, and also from the other exploitation. According to APMC, both buyers and sellers has to come to the APMC mandi to sell and buy. They cannot purchase or sell things directly. System of APMC, each state has their own APMC market. If any trader wants to buy anything from the APMC, then first he has to take license from the APMC, and then in case if they don't have license, then they cannot trade there. Each district has their own APMC where particular person of that district can only buy and sell from there if they had license of that particular mandi. To sell produce, first farmer has to go to the APMC mandi, and from there he will go to the commission agent and to the traders. Trader is the person who can finalize prices of that particular product, and farmers has no idea of that value. Then transaction agent tells farmers about the prices of their goods, and here each farmer has to pay 3% market fees, and each state has their different fees percentage. Then product of that farmer goes to the trader, and he distributed in many wholesalers, vendors, retailers, and then they sell it to the consumer. It means that particular product passes from 50% inflation till it reaches from farmer to the consumer. It means there are lots of middlemen in between them who took all the profits of the particular farmers. Now let us understood what that three bills exactly tells us about. Then the first bill is the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2020. The Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill allows barrier-free intra and interstate trade. Farm produce means they can buy and sell anything from any state wherever they want. There is no restriction. Previously, farm produce was sold at notified wholesale markets or mandis run by the 7,000 agriculture produce marketing committees, that is APMCs. Each APMC had licensed middleman who would buy from farmers at prices set by the auction before selling it to the institutional buyers like retailers and big traders. Then the changes which came into the new bills are farmers can eliminate middleman so that sell directly to the institutional buyers at prices to be agreed between them. However, farmers groups are worried this exposes them to corporates who have more bargaining power and resources than small of marginal farmers. 85% of farmers own less than hectares of land, which is difficult for them to negotiate directly to the large-scale buyers. Then farmers' objections are alternate private mandis will lead to the ultimate closure of existing APMC mandis. Then no tax on private market, and because of removing geographic restrictions, small farmers may find it difficult to avail potentially better prices at markets further away because of constraints on travel and storage. There was no restrictions on farmers to sell elsewhere earlier too. The state government says that if private buyers start purchasing directly from the farmers, they will lose out all taxes that are charged at mandis. The potential scrapping of mandis endangers the job of millions who work there. Then the second bill is the farmers' empowerment of protection agreement on price assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020. This bill is also known as contract farming. This law will allow farmers to enter into the agreements with agri-firms, exporters or large buyers to produce a crop for a pre-agreed price. Farmers are worried this means the MSP will be removed or no government control over the prices. And here, demand of farmer is that to link MSP with contract prices. Then the third bill is the Essential Commodities Amendment Bill 2020. The Essential Commodities Amendment Bill proposes to allow economic agents to stock food articles freely without the fear of being prosecuted for hoarding. Unlimited stocking can lead to the artificial prices fluctuations and low prices for farmers after harvest. Demands for farmers' organizations are the acts are more favorable towards the companies and not legally empowering the farmers. Strengthen MSP to be made a legal right. Currently, procurement is not done for all the 20 plus crops for which MSP will be declared. APMC reforms are needed, not its removal. The middleman will not go away, and the investment in agriculture sector must be from government, not from the private sector. Then the implementations are, there are two scenarios. The first scenario is in private markets, good prices will get to the farmers and their conditions will be improved. APMC's all problems will be solved by the private markets and income will be doubled of farmers. Then the second scenario is, on the other side, if there is no control of the government or they will not give MSP to the farmers, will be completely on the forces of market, and the prices which are decided by the market farmers have to take it and could satisfied in that only, and because of that farmers will be suffered from loss in long term. So I would like to conclude it by saying that, as we know, farmers are very important place in building a nation, and because of farmers we are alive in this world. But in today's condition, India's farmers are suffering from high rate of exploitation. In India, every work or job has a particular wages and payments, but farmers are the only one who are not getting their proper wages. Farmers are getting exploited from last many years, and now it's time to do some changes for them. So the bills which are introduced by the government should provide proper wages and their all rights to them, so that today's farmers will be more satisfied and independent. Thank you.